Patronex has integrated Dialpad, a cloud-based business communication platform, with Podio. In this video, we will show you how to easily send SMS messages from Podio and make calls using the Dialpad extension after the integration has been completed. To send message to the lead, we have to go to Seller Leads app. Search the specific lead in the search bar. Here we are going to send message to the lead, so let's get started. I'm writing random text just for running test. You can write your message. As you can see, SMS is sent and comment is placed. Now we can see the sent SMS and logs as well. Click on the Communication tab. Here you can see your sent SMS. Now we can see the logs for outgoing SMS. Let's get response or incoming SMS to this number. I'm writing random text just to run test. Click enter to send your SMS. Here we just sent the SMS to our Dialpad number. Now get back to lead to see if we have set logs for it. So as you can see above, comment is placed when SMS is received to our Dialpad number. Now we can see the logs as well. Now Dialpad gives us the option to call users. So for this we have Dialpad CTI extension that will be used for calling purpose. So let's call this number. So I need to just open the extension, place the phone number into it and make a call. So let's do this now. You can record your call, can share your screen or just disconnect it as I'm going to do. Now we can check for call logs. Go to the Communication tab and select Display Only Call History here. As you can see, it's being logged and that is the outgoing call. So how can you pick a call if someone calls back to your number? You just need to open Podio and the CTI extension. So if there is an incoming call, it will be shown here. We can see this now, so you have seen you can either answer or decline the call. Moreover, you can see the incoming call logs as well.